Hello, welcome to Stackable, the all-in-one solution to building stunning websites with a WordPress block editor. In this video, you will learn how to install Stackable. There are two ways that you can download our page building plugin. First, from the Stackable main website, and second, the WordPress plugin directory. Let's go through the first option. Go to wpstackable.com and click the free download button on our homepage. A modal will appear asking if you already have a WordPress site set up. By clicking No, I need help setting one up, we give you the option to set up your website with a WordPress host first. Clicking on any of these options will get you a website with Stackable already pre-installed. Otherwise, you could just opt to download our plugin first before you set up your own website. You may enter your email address if you'd like to subscribe to our newsletter and stay updated about Stackable, or you have the option to download without subscribing. By clicking Subscribe and Download, or if you opted to download without subscribing, you should be directed to a thank you page and the download will automatically start. Once your download is finished, go to your WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins on your left menu panel, and then click Add New. From there, click the Upload Plugin button on the top of the page, and a section to upload a file should appear. Just upload the zip file that was downloaded from our website, and make sure that the file you're uploading is not unzipped. When your upload is finished, click Activate to activate the Stackable plugin. We're done with the first way to install the Stackable plugin. Let's now learn how to download the Stackable plugin from the WordPress plugin directory. All you have to do is hover over Plugins on the left column of your WordPress dashboard and click Add New. You will see a search bar in the top right area of the page. Type in Stackable, and it should appear as the first plugin in the search results. Click Install Now, and then Activate. If you hover over Plugins from the left column and click Installed Plugins, you should be able to see Stackable among your installed plugins. You can also type in Stackable in the search bar. Its row will appear in blue highlight to indicate that it's activated. Once you've confirmed that Stackable has been activated, you should see the Stackable blocks in the WordPress block editor. And there you have it. You've learned the two ways of installing the Stackable plugin. We hope that you enjoy your page building journey with Stackable. Thanks for watching. Don't hesitate to reach out to us with any questions you may have. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel for more.